Who chaired the Finance and Staff Committee? A. Alladi Krishna Swami Iyer. B. Pattabhi C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. D. Dr. K.M. Mushi. Choose the correct answer. Answer C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Which committee was led by Alladi Krishna Swami Iyer? A. House Committee. B. Credentials Committee. C. Ad hoc Committee on Citizenship. D. Press Gallery Committee. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. Credentials Committee. Who was the head of the House Committee? A. S. Vardachari. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. B. Pattabhi D. Dr. K.M. Mushi. Choose the correct answer. Answer C. B. Pattabhi Who chaired the Order of Business Committee? A. G.V. Mavlankar. B. Dr. K.M. Mushi. C. S. Vardachari. D. Nalini Ranjan Sarkar. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. Dr. K.M. Mushi. Which committee dealt with the national flag? A. Ad hoc Committee on Citizenship. B. Credentials Committee. C. Ad hoc Committee on the National Flag. D. Special Committee to examine the draft Constitution. Choose the correct answer. Answer C. Ad hoc Committee on the National Flag. Who was the chairman of the Committee on the Functions of the Constituent Assembly? A. B. Pattabhi B. G.V. Mavlankar. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. G.V. Mavlankar. Which committee was chaired by S. Vardachari? A. Committee on the Functions of the Constituent Assembly. B. Ad hoc Committee on the Supreme Court. C. Linguistic Provinces Commission. D. Special Committee to examine the draft Constitution. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. Ad hoc Committee on the Supreme Court. Who was not a member of the Constituent Assembly but chaired the Expert Committee on the Financial Provisions of the Union Constitution? A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. B. Nalini Ranjan Sarkar. C. G.V. Mavlankar. D. Usha Nath Singh. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. Nalini Ranjan Sarkar. Who led the Linguistic Provinces Commission? A. S. K. Dar. B. Dr. K. M. Mushi. C. B. Pattabhi D. Usha Nath Singh. Choose the correct answer. Answer A. S. K. Dar. Who chaired the Special Committee to examine the draft Constitution? A. S. Vardachari. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Dr. K. M. Mushi. D. B. Pattabhi. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. Jawaharlal Nehru. Who chaired the Press Gallery Committee? A. G. V. Mavlankar. B. Usha Nath Singh. C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. D. Nalini Ranjan Sarkar. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. Usha Nath Singh. Which committee was led by an individual who was not a member of the Constituent Assembly and focused on citizenship? A. Ad hoc Committee on Citizenship. B. House Committee. C. Credentials Committee. D. Finance and Staff Committee. Choose the correct answer. Answer A. Ad hoc Committee on Citizenship.